peek at this Creatology Mini Artist Easel set, which was on clearance for $1 from $2.99. This is a lot of stuff for $1, but I just want to point out that this pencil is tiny. This is the size of a golf pencil. The little piece of paper comes with some indents. You can see them here. When I flip it, it is gray on the back. That pencil mark is from me, but maybe I just used the gray side because this side has these indents. About to swatch these out. While I was pouring them out, this one just like exploded. You know how you pin the foil on it with the top? This one got all over the place, but on the blue, it stayed just fine. As you can see, these are very translucent. You can see the pencil line through all of them, especially as they're drying. You can see it sort of start to appear in the red. I really, really wish that one of these was white. I will be attempting to paint a rose, and I'm not quite sure how to get a lighter color, but my kitty's ready to assist, so I think it's going to be fine. I've got my rose. I am ready to transfer it to the canvas, but I know I'm going to need at least 4 colors of red. And I guess my lightest one is going to end up being an orange because all I have to mix is the yellow. I'm also wondering if I should use the gray side of the paper or the white one with the indents. I think I might go for the white because the coverage on this is so weak. It's transferred. Let's mix some color. I am going to start with the red because I'm not feeling confident about it. What do you think? You feeling confident? I mean, I'm not confident you're not going to drink the paint water. It feels a bit a hot mess, but I got my dark colors. Oh, also looks like a murder has been committed on this page. My dark colors are in, and now I guess we'll be shifting into a weird orange-yellow color palette, although it has occurred to me that now that I'm using the white side of this, I can keep the white going for highlights. It is not the best, and some parts of it are really shiny, but let's go stick it on an easel outside, because it did come with this adorable little easel. And yet again, kitty cat! And there it is. Honestly, the most challenging part was the lack of white and just the one brush. So would I recommend this kit by Creatology? I mean, it cost $1. It's a lot of fun for $1. So I can't imagine why, if this is something that you wanted to do, you wouldn't buy it. So go have fun.